Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be modding this Razer keyboard that I have. I've had this keyboard for quite a while now, and I wanted to mod a membrane keyboard, so today we have a mod. So this is what the mod sounds like. It's really quiet, and then here's just a normal one. And this one's really, you can still hear the click. It may not come up so loud on this, but it's a really good click. So today I'm going to show you how to do this membrane keyboard mod. So this literally cost me zero bucks. So you're going to need like a pen or something. This pen doesn't have any lead in it, it's a mechanical pen. Or you can use like some scissors. So here I got some scissors. And with the pen, what you can do is I can demonstrate on this B. You push the edge a little bit, and then you can flick it up, so like this. And don't worry, this doesn't break it. This is what it will look like, and you can easily put that back in. So what I'm using is any sort of something to flick this up, or you can use your fingers to flick a key up. And something that's like foamy, like I have this kitchen scouring pad thing that you normally use like this. We're not going to be using the green bit, which is like harder. I'm using this foam bit to make a really nice sound. So let's use that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you want to unplug your power, so just unplug your keyboard right there. And your keyboard will turn off like this. Your Razer, this is the Razer Synosa Lite. I got it really cheap for like 15 bucks or something. And next you want to get some of the foam. You want to rip it off or use scissors. So just like rip this off or get some scissors and cut it. Get a size around this size. It's a pretty good size. And you just want to put it in this little cushioning bit there. It's and that's like the switch basically. Push it in there and get like your scissors or whatever you have, or you can use your fingers and like push that in there. I'm gonna use my fingers, or if you have like a pencil or something. Pencil, make sure it's like very like blunt, or use a pen with like no ink, because you don't want to damage your keycaps. Okay, next you want to get your keycap like this and put in a little bit of the foam into each side. So you want to place that on top. Then you want to get like, this is my pencil. It's a mechanical pencil, so that's why it's sharp. And you just want to press it down into the little gaps. This is kind of hard doing it one-handed, but press it down. Okay, so now I finished it. It's pretty good. Right here. I'm gonna place that back in. So it won't go one way in, but the B should be like the right way up. And you want to kind of put it in, and then push with a little bit of force, and it should make a click sound. That means it's in. Next, insert your power cable back into your PC, and boom, it should be up. Don't worry if this one's a little bit dimmer, it's because of the foam. And now you're done, and you can do this to the whole keyboard. You just need this, and some scissors if you need. That's all you need for this. It's a very simple hack of how to get a really nice sounding keyboard. Like, it's really good. So thank you for this tech video. I'll see you next time. Bye.